Dorico 6 introduces more flexibility for how you position system-attached items on your full score layouts, including custom positions for large time signatures often used in media scores. Let's take a look. By default, system-attached items, such as tempos, rehearsal marks, repeat ending lines, and system text, appear above the top staff of a score, and optionally above the first staff of specified instrument families. This is set in Layout Options on the Staves and Systems page in the newly renamed System Attached Items section. In Dorico 6, you can now switch this behavior from families to specific players, and for each type of system-attached item, choose individual players in the ensemble above which to position them. This can make it possible to satisfy all sorts of score layout requirements. Perhaps your score has a number of rehearsal marks and also some long, gradual tempo markings that aren't working too well together. We can choose to position tempo markings at the top of the system and rehearsal marks above the strings. Or how about this example of some show music where the spoken cues have been input as system text in order for them to appear in all the instrumental parts, but should appear only above the top staff of the score. Whatever your needs, it's now simple to position each type of system-attached item exactly where you want. Dorico 6 also brings huge improvements to working with large time signatures. It's now possible to switch to a manual behavior where you can specify the groups of players that denote the positions of large time signatures, as well as the vertical alignment of each time signature within those groups. The new table control starts pre-filled with the existing behavior, so it's generally easiest to remove these and start from scratch. Simply drag your mouse over the players you would like in a time signature group, or click the first and shift-click the last. Press the button to create the group and set the vertical alignment. You don't need to assign all players in your ensemble to a group. Just set up the groups to accommodate how you want the time signatures to appear. Remember, the scale factors for large time signatures are set in engraving options. It's likely that often you'll want all of your time signatures to be the same size, so consider this when setting the scale factors and when you're deciding how many instruments to assign to each group. I'd love to hear how you're using these new features for system-attached items to set up your score. Please do leave a comment below. I'm Anthony Hughes. Thanks for watching.